Hello everybody, I'm Zoe and today we're going to have a look into the Maxbounty affiliate network. So this is their website. We're going to have a look first at their main website. This is of course the part for the advertisers. We're mainly interested in the parts for the affiliates, of course, since we are not an advertiser, and I assume that you are also all an affiliate or wanting to become an affiliate. So what we see over here is their main site for affiliates, and it directly says promote high converting cost per action campaigns from hundreds of advertisers seeking your blogging, media buying, social media and email marketing expertise. So cost per action, that is the CPA that we're always talking about, and for me personally, I'm always busy with social media, so mainly Facebook advertising. So this is perfect. What you can see, verticals you want, rates you'll need. We keep our campaigns diverse so that you can remain a specialist. Promote products and services in verticals that matter to you. Earn money for your performance through CPA, CPS, CPL and CPI pricing models, while our team works relentlessly to provide you with the best rates in the industry. So they have a lot of different types of performance, so CPA, CPS, CPL and CPI pricing models. That is real nice. Even if I am mainly focusing on CPA, I'm also quite interested in CPS, CPL and CPI pricing models. They have 2,000 plus active campaigns, which are more than enough active campaigns if they're good campaigns. We ensure you never run out of campaigns that convert by continually partnering with new and exciting advertisers. So that is real nice. You can just keep on testing different campaigns. You're not just stuck with a few campaigns. And it's especially nice if you have a lot of campaigns on one single affiliate network, so you can just stack all your conversions on that single affiliate network as well. They have weekly payments, which is also really nice. Receive what you earn faster. We guarantee you'll be paid on time every single week so that your budget stays replenished. That is actually real nice for cash flow. Since a lot of you might already know, cash flow is really important in this industry. You need to get your payments quick so you can invest your earnings again, and weekly payments really help with that compared to, let's say, monthly payments. So that is a real big positive thing about Maxbounty network. They have performance bonuses, which we already see in a lot of different affiliate networks, which is really nice. Be recognized for being exceptional. We offer our best affiliates additional earnings through numerous performance-based rewards. Most of the times these are like a certain network currency where you can earn that currency and you can trade in that for money as well. So you get more bonuses for being a good affiliate, which is a good thing from the network, which really stimulates affiliates to be a good affiliate. And they have international campaigns as well. We work with advertisers from across the globe to ensure you can acquire traffic from a diverse selection of countries. So that is also really nice, since for me, mainly in the beginning, and still, you can really look into certain geos that have cheaper CPM, CPC. So even though if your budget is a little bit lower, you can always look into certain geos that require like less budget, which is also really nice, so you're not like stuck with geos like the US. So you have a lot of choices, and even let's say if you're from a certain country and you speak that certain language, it would also be very easy to run campaigns in your specific geo, if that is a nice geo, of course, since you can speak the language. So that is nice if affiliate networks have a lot of different geos for their campaigns as well. This is also a really nice thing I always see in different affiliate networks, that are blogs. So a lot of nice and interesting things you can read, sometimes also network specific things that you can learn, and a lot of nice information. So I also see that they have meetups. They are also going to different affiliate network or affiliate events like Affiliate World. Affiliate World Asia has already past December 4 and 5. However, I'm also assuming they're going to Affiliate World Europe again in 2020, and they're also going to Affiliate Summit West in the USA the end of January in 2020, which is also really nice. So let's have a look into the blog. They have a real nice blog right here. I really love blogs from affiliate networks since you can always learn more from the blogs, and networks tend to give like more in-depth information about different things that are happening in the affiliate landscape, which is really nice as well. Always love to read these. You don't even have to be a member of Maxbounty to read the blog, which is also really nice. You can just read the blog before even applying to that network. So most importantly, let's look at their dashboard. So we're currently logged in, and I really recognize this type of platform from different affiliate networks, which is if you're already an affiliate on different networks, a real nice thing to see, since you're already most probably you know this kind of dashboard. So for the people that are new, I'm going to explain a little bit of what we can see right here. We can see on the dashboard itself the tabs with new campaigns, top campaigns, trending campaigns, Maxbounty picks, your recently viewed campaigns, and your bookmarked campaigns, which is also really nice because for some affiliate networks I sometimes see like real nice campaigns. I'm not able to really bookmark them, so I have to write them down in like a separate file, and whenever I want to run these campaigns I have to search for them again. And I really like in this network that you can just bookmark them and you can find them real easy. So these are like their new campaigns. Let's have a look at their top campaigns. Also really nice, a lot of US right here that are most often included in top campaigns. However, let's see the reports. So for the reports, which is like your important part to look at, of course, you can see your revenue for the current and the previous week, your clicks and earnings. You can set different variables, your clicks and earnings, your campaign leads, etc. And then you can also set like a period, this month, last month, this pay period and last pay period, etc., etc. Even a custom date. Real nice. So my favorite part is always search campaigns, which is of course where we search our campaigns, where we're trying to launch campaigns. So most important part for me are the search options always, which make it very easy to search for a specific type of campaign. Let's say we are interested in a United Kingdom geo offer. So let's go to United Kingdom. Alright, United Kingdom, and me personally, I really love Sweepstakes, so let's go to Sweepstakes and search. And we have all different traffic types, even though I'm specifically looking for social media. Most of the times Sweepstakes are like good for all traffic types. So let me see for a single opt-in offer and something like fashion offer. Yeah, let me see. Win a £1,000 Primark gift card UK. So we already found one. This is a single opt-in, and you get paid $1.15 per lead, which is quite okay, quite normal for a UK single opt-in sweepstakes offer. And we already approved, and the daily cap is 800 actions per day. I've also seen a lot of offers that have no daily cap. And I guess even though this one has a daily cap, you can always ask for your affiliate manager to remove the daily cap once you are running like a lot of leads per day. And even though 800 actions per day are also quite a lot of actions per day. So all device operating systems are allowed. You can see like all the things that are allowed and all your information for the offer right here. Is it mobile optimized? Yes, which is also very important for me personally, since almost all my campaigns are run on mobile. The network EPC, most of the times this is like empty, but now we can see a $21 EPC, which is of course like the estimate or the average of the previous affiliates, their performances. The expiry date, none. The tracking type, server to server tracking. And I also really like that you can just click on this eye right here and preview your landing page in the same browser tab. And what we can see right here is a preview, It is a preview for the desktop, so it doesn't really matter. Most of the times it's like almost the same for a mobile. You can just imagine how it looks like, and you can see that it still has a questionnaire in here. Real nice that you can preview that. You can set your postback type and your postback code, and most of the times you can always give your postback URL, your global postback URL to your affiliate manager, and it is already set like for all the different offers. This is also very important information always. Users must be 25 plus, converts on a short form submit, no instant winner, etc, etc, and always the search restrictions, which is also a very important thing to read. It always says like almost the same thing: no brand bidding, make sure that your advertising materials do only show brands displayed on the offer, don't show any logos from the following companies, etc, etc. Then you can build your link right here, your tracking link. What type of traffic will you be sending? Let's say we're going for social, social, and we want a raw link. The landing page, we can only select one, and then we can even set our sub IDs if we want to, and our tracking link will be here, and this will be the link that you're going to use for your campaign. So this is real nice. Let me see. This is also a thing like that almost all affiliate networks have, the affiliate referral program. It's quite nice that an affiliate network has like an affiliate referral program as well. You can refer other affiliates into Maxbounty, and you can earn 5% of their revenue for 12 months, which is also a real nice thing to do as well. And this is the part what I was talking about, like that affiliate network currency. This is max money. What I can see, max money will be like the reward you'll get for like some things that are told by Maxbounty, where you can earn your max money. It says get rewarded not just with praise but with more profit in your pocket. Earn max money during events that occur throughout each month and redeem them for cash at your convenience. Like as I already told you, you will collect max money and you can redeem them for cash. That's max money, increasing the return on your hard work only at Maxbounty. It's real nice. They even have a link again to their blog, the resources. This is also a real nice thing which a lot of affiliate networks have. Like their resources, they have a link for click tracking for volume, which I personally also use, and here through this link you can get a 30% off on the monthly plans. And they have a lot of more things like traffic sources, where you can get a lot of bonuses, or bonuses like $100 when you spend your first $100, etc, etc, like Taboola. Real nice as well. So when you apply to Maxbounty, you get a lot of positive things connected to it as well. Here's always your part with your affiliate manager, and you always get their contact information, so you can always reach out to your affiliate manager. And as we all know, in the affiliate world, in the affiliate landscape, most of the times the communication goes through Skype. So that was quite it for Maxbounty. I really love this this affiliate network, and after looking more into it, I'm really thinking of running more campaigns with Maxbounty as well. And I really like this type of affiliate network. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Allow me to introduce the Dijs University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dijs University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.